Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the first question in exercise 5.2. This particular question has multiple subdivisions, so we are taking up the first subdivision here. Let's look at the question here. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. So I'm noting down the function first. This is x plus 3 the whole square into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4. If you directly apply chain rule here with uv, this is going to be very complex. So let's first assign a variable to this as y. Now I'm going to take logarithm on both sides. So log y is equal to log of this particular expression, which is x plus 3 the whole squared into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4. So now we know that according to logarithm rules, log of ABC is log A plus log B plus log C. So I'm splitting this as log of x plus 3 the whole squared plus log of x plus 4 the whole cube plus log of x plus 5 the whole power 4. Now again we know the log property that log of a power b is b log a. So I'm writing this as 2 log x plus 3 plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Now that we have simplified everything, here is where we are going to start the differentiation. So let's differentiate both the left and the right side with respect to x. So here this is log y, so it is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 2 is a constant, so outside log of x plus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by x plus 3. So this is 2 by x plus 3. Similarly, plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 divided by x plus 5. Now that we have done, we need the value of dy by dx. So I'm going to take the 1 by y the other side. So this is dy by dx is equal to y into this particular expression, which is 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 3 divided by x plus 4 plus 4 divided by x plus 5. Now I can need to expand what is y here. So the final answer is dy by dx is equal to x plus 3 the whole squared into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4, which is nothing but the replacement for y into this particular expression as such. So 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 3 divided by x plus 4 plus 4 divided by x plus 5. So this is the final answer. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.